how to change size on Temu. So I'm going to show you how you can do this when you're purchasing new items, and also what you can do if you've already placed an order. So let's say that we are trying to purchase some pants. So I'm just going to search for pants for men, and let's say that I want to purchase these pants. Now from here, once you scroll down on the item which you want to purchase, it's going to show you the sizes. So you have XS up until XXL in this example. So you want to choose the size by clicking on it, and then also the quantity here at the bottom is how many pairs of pants you want to purchase. So you want to add it to your cart, and you will order it as you would normally. Now, if you have already placed your order, then what you can do is cancel it. You want to go into your orders here. So we're going to click on your orders, and here you want to cancel the order from this section as long as it hasn't been shipped yet. And then what you're going to do is repurchase the same item. So like I said, pants for men, you will go find the pants, and this time you will choose the correct size, and that's what you can do. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.